Good day. Hi, I'm Lizelle Lacraua Ilustre, and I'm 38 years old, and I was born on April 8, 1987. I live in Sico Purok 7, Lipa City, Batangas, and I'm working at abroad. 2018, I'm a household worker, and I'm working at the house from my employer of in Kuwait, and I'm working that time. I have two baby. One they have a newborn, and one 2 years old boy. That is all boy, and I experienced that time. We're cleaning, but I help her from cooking also. And that time I finished January 2025. I'm from the Philippines. Also, I working from household. That time, my employer is also Filipino. They are old woman and old man. They have one pet dog. From that time, I working that time, so I need to clean and I need to wash clothes, and also I'm work cooking, and that's all. I finished that time 2017. This is all, my last work from my employer here in the Philippines, in the Philippines, and that's all. And thank you and have a good day.